Hello students, welcome in our new session of a short monsoon diary written by Ruskin Bond. Students, this is our second session. We have seen the diary till the date of June 27, and here in these dates from starting to the 27, writer describes us the primary rain or primary monsoon, okay, in which how trees blossoms, how the earth behaves, or how small fern like flowerless plants works, or how they grows. Okay, so let's see what happened next in a month of August, because the heading of the diary page is August 2. Okay, on the 2nd August, a writer was writing like this: all night the rain was been drumming on the corrugated tin roof. Means all the night the rain was poured and it drumming means it makes some noise. Okay, so there has been no storm, no thunder, just the steady swish of tropical downpour. Means in the 2nd August there was a tropical downpour, means genuine downpour of rain, because there was no storm, no thunder, or it was just a steady swish tropical downpour, and it helps me to lie awake. And because of that falling noise of the rain on the roof of the writer house, he would be like awaking whole the night. At the same time, it doesn't keep me from sleeping, and it same time he was not kept him sleeping, means he was sleep during that time because of the sound of that noise, right? It is a good sound to read by. Here writer then explain us why he was sleeping on the behalf on that day. It is good sound to read by the rain sound, the quiet within. And although tin roofs are given to springing uncountable leaks, there is a feeling of being untouched by and yet in touch with the rain. Here, writer explain us some poetic lines like the rain was untouchable and uncountable leaks are springing over, but they are, though they are untouched, they yet feel like they are touchable to me, like this. Then on August 3rd, he explained us the rain stops, the clouds began to break up, the sun strikes the hill on my left. Means the hill was appeared to the writer after the rain stops. A woman is chopping up sticks. I hear the twinkle of cowbells, means now the cow went out from their sheds, and the tinkling of their bells was heard by the author. In the oak tree, a crow shakes the raindrops from their feathers and cows disconsolately. Means in between the crows that shakes the raindrops from their feathers on the oak tree, and water drips from leaking drain pipe, and suddenly clean and pure the song of whistling thrush emerges like a dark sweet secret from the depths of the ravine. Here, writer told us, then suddenly the whistling of thrush emerges and it pleases him. Then let's see what in August 12: endless rain and a permanent mist. Endless rain and a permanent mist. Mist means that small water droplets and they became very thick, and because it here it mentioned as a permanent mist, so they are uh, like a very thick, endless, unstoppable. We haven't seen the sun for 8 or 9 days. See, the rain was continuously pouring, and it was 8 to 9 days. everything damp and soggy. Nowhere to go, so nobody comes out. Pace the room means only they pacing the room means come in and out, come in and out, like this. They pace the room, look out of the window at a few bobbing umbrellas. Only when he looked out from their window, he found some bobbing umbrellas. Some people went out for their daily routine works. At least it isn't cold rain. The hillside are lush and late monsoon flowers begin to appear. Then wild balsam, dahlia, uh, begonias and ground orchids are seen. And then after, in this August month, at the end of August, the writer appear some flowers alongside their house. On August 31, it is the last day of August and the lush monsoon growth has reached its peak. The seeds of the cobra lily are turning red. Now that cobra lily, their seeds became very red and signifying that the rains are coming to an end, and that was the signal for the rain was coming to end. In a few days the ferns will start turning yellow, but right now they are still firm, green and upright. On those days, that ferns plant, that flowerless plant was turning into yellow, but right now still they are green and upright. Ground orchids, Maui lady sleeper and white butterfly orchids put on fashion display on the grassy slope of Lander. Means here some names of flower plants are mentioned by the writer. uh, Wild dahlias, red, yellow, and magenta, rear their heads from the rocky crevices where they have taken hold. And nowadays, due, between the cracks of the rocks, some wild dahlias, then red and yellow magenta, they rear their heads. They come up through that cracks of rocks. Then snakes and rodents flooded out of their holes and burrows, take shelter in roofs, attics and godowns. And now what happened? All Many of snakes, rodents, they came out from their holes and burrows and take shelter in roofs, attics and godowns. A shrew weak of eyesight blunders about the rooms, much to the amusement of the children. And then what happened? Shriv means it's find its Hindi equivalent in the next sentence. Look at that. Shriv, um, Shriv, weak of eyesight, blunders about the rooms, much to the amusement for children. It is used for the small rodent. We called it like chuchundras. Don't kill it, admonishes their grandmother. Chuchundras are lucky, they bring money. And the shrew are weak of eyesight blunders about the rooms are the chuchundras. They are moving here and there, and it amuses the children. And their grandmother told them that don't kill it, not to kill it. And sure enough, I receive a check in a mail, and writer said that I am very amused that I was also receive a check when I saw that chuchundra, not a very large one, but welcome all the same. That check was not large, but he welcome all the way. So look at that October 3, we have gone straight from the monsoon into the winter rain. Now it comes to the October and monsoon turns to the winter. Snow at higher altitude, and snow started falling in higher altitudes. After an evening hailstorm, the sky and hills are suffused with a beautiful golden light. And in the evening, as the snow was covered that hill storms or that hills, they looks very beautiful in golden color when that ray of light entered through it. Look at that. January 26, winter rains in the hills. In the hushed silence of the house, when I am quite alone and my friend who was here has gone, it is very lonely, very quiet, and I sit in a liquid silence, a silence within, surrounded by the rhythm of rain, the steady drift. Here, writer said that in a hushed silence of the house, when I am quite alone and my friend was not there, he was also gone. It is very lonely to me. I am very quiet and I sit in a very silence. It is a silence within surrounded by the rhythm of rain. The silence was surrounded by rhythm of rain. That falling of rain makes a sound, and that rhythm is surrounded. A silence of writer, a steady drift of water on leaves and on lemons on roof, drumming on drenched dahlias and window panes, while the mist holds the house in a dark caress. Caress means touching or holding lovingly. Now what happened? That rhythm of rain covers the silence of writer, and the steady drift means continued rain. That water of rain on leaves, on lemons, on roofs, that continuously drumming makes a sound. Drumming means sound. Or drench the dahlias and window panes, and they continually pour on dahlias and window panes, while the mist holds the house in a dark gas, and that mist actually touching very lovingly to the house. As I pause near a window, the rain stops and starts again, and the trees no longer green but grey menace me their loneliness. And then what happened? And the rain stops again, and the tree is no longer green but grey. And now the trees become grey because it ends of the winter. Menace me, threaten me with their loneliness. Like they became lonely and it was threatening to me. On March 23, let March, end of winter, the black-best cloud I have ever seen squatted over the Missouri, and then it hailed marbles for half an hour, nothing like a hailstorm to clear the sky. Even as I write, I see a rainbow forming. And in a March, now it is the season of summer, start of summer. The blackest cloud I have ever seen squatted over the Missouri means the very black clouds were formed over the Missouri, and then it held marbles of half an hour. It like looks like a marbles for half an hour, nothing like a hailstorm to clear the sky. Even as I write, I see a rainbow forming, and when I write this, when I was writing this, I saw that a rainbow is forming. So here our session is finished. We will see question and answer in our next session. Ruskin Bond nicely explained us the beauty of nature from monsoon to the March. Thank you for hearing.